Assalamu alaikum students. I am your science teacher. I hope that you are fine by the grace of Allah and studying well at homes. Today we will start our topic spores from unit 3 the plant world, book page 44 to 45. This is our lecture number 6. The learning objective is to enable you to understand the spores, means to give you understanding about spores. The diagnostic assessment is what do you understand by spores? Means if you have any information, any knowledge about spores, you can explain. Now come to the understanding of the topic. The first point is about spore. The first point is some plants grow from spores rather than seeds. In previous lectures, we studied that plants grow from seeds, but here they are telling that some plants grow from spores and not from seeds. Spores are much simpler than seeds. Spores, they are having simpler structure as compared to seeds. They are very small and light. In seeds we studied cotyledon, endosperm, embryo, seed coat or testa, but the structure of spores are simple. Next, they are often found on the underside of leaves, means they are lighter in weight and they are also found on the underside of leaves. These plants often produce thousands or even millions of spores. Because of their small size, they are greater in number, thousands or even millions of spores. Next, for spores to germinate, the ground needs to be damp and contain the right nutrients, and the area needs to have right amount of light. So now they are telling the requirements for a spore to germinate. So the ground should be damp, having right amount of nutrients, means नमीदार होना चाहिए, नमी वाला गीला, उसमें right amount of nutrients होने चाहिए और लाइट होनी चाहिए, राइट अमाउंट ऑफ लाइट, कि वहाँ रीच होनी चाहिए, यानी कि वहाँ लाइट पहुँचनी चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, plants that produce spores do not wait until animal or strong wind take them. In seed we studied that the seeds get stick to the outer covering, outer fur or coat of the animals, so they move from one place to another when the animal will move, or the wind will move them or will take them from one place to another. But the spores don't wait for animal or wind to take them from one place to another. They release them into the air, means the plant which is having or producing spore, it will release the spores into the air when the plant will be mature. Next, not many spores become plants. Not all the spores become plant. Here you can see the structure of spore. These small are spores, round. They are present on the underside of the leaf, and you can see they are greatest in number, very much. They are not few in number like seeds, but they are greatest in number. So this was our today's lecture. You have to learn these points about spores and having understanding, and you will draw the picture of this leaf having spores. This is your assessment. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.